We're taught that hard work leads to success. Study hard, get good grades, train hard, finish the race. But the financial market doesn't play by these rules. The market is a vast, impersonal machine. It doesn't care about your dreams, your research, or your effort. Your hopes and fears are just noise in a system driven by millions of self-interested participants. The market isn't out to reward or punish you. It simply reflects the sum of all actions, not your individual effort. When your investment fails, it's not personal. Your work is just one tiny data point in a sea of variables. The market doesn't grade your homework, it just moves. To succeed, let go of the idea that the market owes you anything. Approach it with observation and adaptation, not expectation. This isn't discouraging, it's freeing. You're there to navigate, not control. Our emotions guide us in life, but in investing, they're often our downfall. Hope can blind you, making you hold on to losing positions. Fear can push you to sell too soon or chase trends at the worst moment. Emotional attachment to a stock clouds judgment and leads to confirmation bias. The best investors detach emotionally. Wins and losses are just data, not personal triumphs or failures. They follow a plan, not their feelings. Treat investing as a business, not an adventure. Emotional discipline is essential for survival in the markets. Many believe they can control the market with the right strategy or information. This is an illusion. The market is unpredictable, shaped by countless variables and random events. It's not out to get you, it's not even aware of you. Feeling targeted or entitled to win is a trap. The market owes you nothing and remembers nothing. Focus on what you can control: your entries, exits, risk, and emotions. The best traders manage themselves, not the market. Success comes from discipline, not prediction. Ego is the enemy in investing. Humility is your ally. Overconfidence after a few wins leads to bigger risks and bigger losses. Refusing to accept a loss turns small mistakes into disasters. Professionals cut losses quickly and learn from them. Keep a journal of your trades, especially the losses. That's where the lessons are. Humility means knowing you'll never have all the answers. Success isn't about always being right, but about managing risk and learning continuously. True humility is the foundation of lasting wealth. Long-term success in markets comes from process, not prediction. The best investors have clear rules for finding opportunities, managing risk, and exiting trades. They focus on following their process, not chasing outcomes. Detach your self-worth from any single trade. Wins don't make you a genius. Losses don't make you a fool. Your job is to be disciplined, not to be right. The market reveals your strengths and weaknesses with brutal honesty. By striving for discipline and humility, you grow as both an investor and a person. The greatest return isn't just financial, it's mastering yourself.